Ladies and gentlemen and fellow enthusiasts, welcome once again to HecaWorld Unlimited. We're going to show you how to make the Joule Thief. This circuit is made up of 4 components. We have the transistor, a resistor, an LED, and a coil. I'll show you the construction of the coil. The coil is made up of a pair of wires joined together at one end, and then the other 2 ends are free. This coil is wound through a ferrite core, and it's about 10 or 11 turns. The transistor is an NPN transistor. If you're facing the transistor, the first terminal will be your emitter, the middle terminal is your base, and the end terminal is your collector. And please note the notations: emitter, base, collector. So in the circuit diagram here, this is your base, and this is your collector, and this is your emitter. Your LED here, your cathode is right down here, and this is your anode. And the resistor is 1 kilo ohm resistor. So this Joule Thief will take a very low battery, a dying battery, and can drive your LED. So let's show you the construction. We've made a proof of concept. Right here you have the coil, you have the red and the blue wires, and each end of the coil, just as we see it here, is scraped and tied together, and it goes to your positive. And then the other 2 ends, these 2 ends here, one of each, one will go to the collector of the transistor, which is this, and the other end will go to one terminal of your resistor, and that resistor is connected to the base of the transistor. So by the way, the transistor is right here. So if you're looking at it, I'll use a different one to show you. So when you're looking at this transistor, the first terminal is emitter, the middle terminal is the base, and the end terminal is the collector. So with this, I'll use a single AAA battery or AA or a D battery, depending on whatever you have. I'll use this to drive an LED. This LED will normally require about 3 volts to drive it. However, I'll be able to drive it with 1 battery. It could even be very low power battery or low voltage battery. So let's give it a try. So take the battery, connect the positive to the common side of the coil, and the negative to ground. So the positive goes here, and the negative to ground, and the LED is right on. And you can see how bright it is. If this is a white LED, it could be bright enough to show you your way in a room, in a dark room. So there you have it. Joule Thief from HecaWorld Unlimited. Just 4 components: a transistor, a resistor, an LED, and a coil. Make your own circuits and post it on YouTube. Let's see what you're up to. Ask us your questions. We'll be glad to help. I'd like to demonstrate something also to you. I'll show you this. There's an LED here. I connect the battery to it, the negative to the negative side, and then I connect the positive, and the LED will not come on. Same battery, but this battery is not strong enough to drive the LED. But I'll use the same battery on the Joule Thief, and you can see how bright, same type of LED we'll get. This LED, see how bright it gets. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave us your comments, make your own videos. You can use this type of circuit to drive other circuits that require higher voltage. If you're using a low voltage source for your circuit diagram, and you need higher voltage for some sections, you can try using this kind of construction to boost the voltage in your system. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye. This is HecaWorld Unlimited, reaching you all the way from Canada.